Hello everybody, I'm in Shenzhen, one of the Apple store, and I won't be getting the iPhone 17 Pro because I have a plane to catch. Actually, now to think of it, can I actually buy it? There's not a lot of people. Can I buy... Yeah, 17 Pro. Hello.
几点的预约？
可以吗？
No.
可以 OK.
We don't have the reservation and the slots. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you, thank you.
By the way, we are open at 8 o'clock. If
Yeah.
you have time, you can try the new iPhone.
Ah, I can try.
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Okay, sweet. I don't know where you heard that. I cannot get the iPhone at 8 a.m. but I can go try the iPhone. I think I can make it for my flight. But for now, let's see how Shenzhen, China does their Apple event. Oh, 可以 push 进去按。Oh yeah! iPhone 17 Pro Max. And it's in Chinese. Great. You can see the difference. The bump is actually not as bad. You know, when they said they're gonna change it back to aluminum, I was thinking the weight is gonna increase, but it's actually like pretty much the same. Let's try the front camera. Woo. Woo! Woo! I got the first iPhone 17 Pro Max, but I couldn't buy it. I'll give my first impression when I actually get it. Let's go catch my flight first. So if you haven't guessed, I'm in Vietnam. And why am I getting the iPhone in Vietnam? Because the last 3 times that I made a video buying the iPhone, I interacted with Vietnamese. So I thought it'd be funny to come to Vietnam to buy an iPhone. From what I know, the iPhones here are more expensive than in Singapore. And to put a perspective in this, the average Vietnamese earns about 900 Singapore dollars. So if they bought any of the iPhones, they have to work at least 2 months. But the main reason is because I want to get an iPhone on day 1, and I just so happen to be in Vietnam for a work trip. There is some concerns because I'm buying it overseas. Warranty might be an issue. Some people say you can just go to the official Apple store. Some people say you can't. But for me, I feel like I kept my 16 Pro Max pretty well with a case and screen protector. So I'm okay. So the thing is, there's no official physical Apple store in Vietnam. They do have an official Apple online store, which I can't buy because I don't have a local number. It's the reason why I couldn't buy in Shenzhen as well. So the first store I'll be heading is the SMS. It's an official reseller, so I'm thinking there's a good chance. Okay, I'm at the first store, NMS, with the Wi-Fi.
Hi.
Do you think there's an iPhone 17 there?
Not sure because look at this. 16 Pro, bro.
They still have the 16 Pro.
We are stuck in the past.
Oh well, we'll go inside. Okay, you be the cameraman. Let's go. Hi. Just wondering if you have the iPhone 17? No. No.
Okay.
Okay. I got a feeling there's just no iPhone 17. So the lady in there,
Go.
just go, no. So I don't know where we go. We go eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We're having teppanyaki for dinner. Search for next store. This is an official Apple store, apparently. It's on the Apple website. Top Zone Mobile World.
Okay.
It's gonna be a 9-minute walk, 600 meters.
We're on a hunt.
Well, we're gonna go there, but first, dinner. The small spoon, then you can get the sauce. Dinner is done, it's getting late, so I think if we really cannot find this, I gotta find it tomorrow. Traffic is a bitch, so it's very hard to get around. But I will persevere. Okay, we are here at the next phone shop. I don't think there's gonna be any iPhone 17. There's no iPhone. Ah, damn it. Let's go. Let's get rejected. Come hold the camera. Thank you. Y'all don't have iPhones, right? iPhone. Do you have the latest one? 17? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's more. Let's hope. Oh. Right. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. They do have the 17 Pro, but is it in stock? Any in stock? Do you have it?
Pro Max?
Yeah, Pro Max. We're checking. I'm gonna get the 512 GB version. It's $44,490,000 dong, $2,180. So it's actually more expensive because if I buy it in the Apple Store at home, it'd be $2,049. Plus, I probably have to pay a bit of tax because I'm using a Singapore card. For the video, I guess I got no choice. It's like I could have got the 1 TB at that price.
Only this one.
Oh, okay. Which one is this? 512? Okay. So it's 512 GB, only has this color. I have no choice. I didn't pre-order. I will get this, but I must see whether my card can go through. Do I even have enough money? Okay, I do have enough money. I'm scared that my card don't accept. I have two, so we'll see. It's like, you know, I got it in the Orchard store, I got it in the MBS store, I got it in iStudio, now I get it in Vietnam. You know, I have to try something new, right?
If I this one in Vietnam, you need to open to activate.
Oh, have to open to activate.
You need to
Activate what?
open the phone to activate phone.
Oh, okay. Okay, we need to. Okay, let's do it then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Is that okay? No. No. Okay. We try. We'll try this. Ah! It worked. It worked. It worked. There's a bit of me that didn't want it to work. No, we're gonna open it. We're gonna do an unboxing in the store. Ooh. Ah. Okay. 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 So y'all have to check lah. You have to register. English, yes. You want me to set it up? Oh, because I want it today.
Singapore have
Yeah, cheaper, but it's okay. It's for video. Even they are questioning me. They'd be like, "You got Apple Store in Singapore. Why don't you buy it in Singapore?" Okay. Okay, sweet. All right, let's go. Success. We shall unbox this again in the hotel room. Thank you. I feel like I got a bit violated. I don't know why. Like I have to pay extra for the 512. Okay, I'm back in the hotel and I made a makeshift studio. Hello. So now let's unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max again. This is the 512 GB. I bought it for 44,049,000, something along that lines. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the orange color, but fortunately, the store had an iPhone 17 Pro Max. This was legit the last iPhone they had. Not the color I wanted, but at least it was the storage I wanted. First impression, this is my first time using the iOS 26. I thought it was some overseas thing where all the icons were different, but I guess it's a 26 thing. I mean, my first impression of this 17 Pro Max is very similar to the 16 Pro Max, except the back looks different. But the camera, you can take 2x, 4x, and 8x. Oh man! And of course, 0.5. I know to a lot of Android users, some of y'all have like times 20, but for iPhone, yeah, I like the upgrade. Usually for me, I don't really have any first impressions. I really want to use this for like a week or two and really make a proper video or tips or tricks about the 17 Pro Max. Especially, I do want to try the ProRes RAW because I do have a passion project where I want to use an iPhone to film a short film, which you know, a lot of directors and filmmakers do use iPhone 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max to shoot big budget movies. So I kind of want to try. I'm a bit disappointed that the Asia don't really get the version without the SIM card slot, because with the SIM card slot your battery is smaller. Because the 17 Pro Max is supposed to be the biggest battery that the iPhone has ever. But with the SIM card it's not. This is the first time I want a only eSIM phone, because I use eSIM now these days. Who uses SIM card? So yeah, in terms of buying it overseas, if you go to an Apple store, the experience is pretty much the same. You know, they do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but in China it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was fun to hear. In terms of buying in Vietnam, there's no Apple store, there's only Apple online. It's an interesting experience because they kind of try to give that Apple experience. And then later on we went shopping, and then I wanted to take an Insta story, and then the store clerks around were like, ooh, iPhone 17! And I like that because like, yeah. And then I said like, I couldn't buy your stuff because I have no money because I bought the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But yes, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a proper video, so do subscribe. Let me know what you want me to do with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is an entertaining video. We'll get into the nitty-gritty stuff in a week or two. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm done.